No. I click my live and me that talk about it. When I look, I get called. Me decide to me not answer, bro. Cause like, me not in a fuck with me. Me not answer. And the fact that you go a whole day without even ask me, we still a go dinner in the night. Let's go for sure. And then love one text me now, say me for there at 3 o'clock. Me not gonna come at your yard, bro. I don't care if you want to feel no way. I'm not gonna come to your house. Fuck that. Me not go your yard. What me a go your yard for? What me a just up and go your yard for? Me not go your yard. Me not go out. Me no want a present from you. Me not go nowhere. Me good. Me spend almost $3,000 on your birthday. Me book hotel, much present, much this. I spend and plus buy how much present. I may never do it in return. Forget about nothing. Cause that's me. Me not do it in return. Forget about nothing. But me hate when me have something planned and a person intervene in a me plan and say them a go take over or them a go do this for you. And then when you look, they mash up your plan. I don't want any surprise. You don't hear what I said? I don't want any surprise. Me good. Me no want a surprise. Me no want nothing. Me good. And two, me not trust people. Alright, me they have my insurance. For some reason, me don't know why my insurance keep on a go up. I guess when time them a try to take the money because they must have one payment something for my card. Where every minute there we are try to take off my money, but me lock my card. So I think when they try to take the money and the card lock, them put on $200 or $300 for your payment. So my payment just keep on a go up. And for other reason, I don't know why my payment just keep on a go up. Anyways, I tell them, so listen, last time me a pay, me I got change. During the process, I try to find, me did post about it to ask what good insurance. Me remember me did come live, I talk about it. When I look, they said me what them $1,600, something like that. I say I'm not gonna fucking pay that. I'm not gonna pay that. When I look, love give me one birthday gift. She take me off of Progressive and she put me on fair insurance for Geico or something like that. At this point, me go call back Progressive today. And me go pay them because I think them cancel me something because them cancel me and me switch over to Geico or whatever name. So tomorrow, me go call them back, pay the bill and go back for me insurance. Because me not gonna make nobody head and feelings trip and then take me off of them thing and then me a drive and police pull me over and say, oh, me not have no insurance or so me I do my own thing my way. It's like me can't trust people. Me I do my thing my fucking way. Me I do my thing my way. My suck pussy mama she now. State Farm. She do it. She send me everything. My mama she now. This so good girl. That's why I don't like them, you know. She have 5 girl pitney. She have 5 girl pitney. And out of 5 of them, one of them they are Jamaica, 3 live at Connecticut, and me live at Atlanta. None of them not mind you like how me mind you. You get too much millions off of me since me come through bad and live at foreign. Millions. My blood. Well, I'm black the person. You know I miss the black, yeah. Hold on, you have to go come on a fake page. Come back on a fake page. Boy, if I rose this, well, I black. How the fuck Rose? Cause you hear me and my mama come for internet a class one another. Is that difference? Rose mama not like she and she not like her mama. My mother love me and me still love my mother. And not because somebody love you then can't use you. At this point, I just feel like everybody I use me, you know. Because watch you pray now. Me sit down and me a pray this morning, you know. My mother is a person like this. She not celebrate nothing at all. Further, my mother they ever baptized, so he is not a true Jehovah Witness. And my sister them had real Jehovah Witness because them baptized. My mother not baptized. She just attend and a study, get baptized. You not celebrate birthday, but every time your birthday, I send you 2,000, 3,000 and you accept it. That mean where I say. You know, say a birthday, you know the money there for your birthday, so why accept it then? You know what the money is for. Every time on your birthday, I send you money. What do you just keep on a call me, a text me. The thing is, when my sister them tell my mother, say, Mommy, we don't have no money. She not bother them again, you know. And if me say, Mommy, me go, for example, me say, Mommy, me go and beg one of my sister them money. You hear she talk about. Don't beg them because then just tell me say they not no money. But when me tell you say me not no money is a problem, it's like 2 days after you still a beg me. Me day already spoiled, bro. Me day spoiled from yesterday. Who can see that blind? Real sensation knows say my day spoiled from yesterday. I tell me not to beg them, but you want beg me when me tell them me not have it. When me I feed everybody, me hear from them every day. When me I send them money, you hear from them every blood clot day. Why do you should beg me money and me stand up on my foot and decide to me not send no more money to Jamaica? Me not send no more money to Jamaica. Because I remember the other day, me say keep ice. Oh, the house are finished, you know want ice in the work where I go on. But my second older sister a fear retarded son where she send a blood clot Jamaica and him down there over 3 months. Him down there over suckled 3 months. Vanessa look up Pitney where she have. When I make no sense. She have him. You have him down there for 3 months. But you could have blood clot when I forgot. It's a, oh yeah, is either this or is either that and also fix. Alright then. When they want, I'm gonna give a fuck who one post and say, oh, she not Rose business and she not everybody business but fair business. Bro, I don't really give a fuck what you want to screen record after this and post. I don't give a fuck. Because if me never want you know this mood even come talking at first place, I don't give a fuck. When you want to come a foreign, you come a foreign and you go over my sister them. Every time if you buy a ticket for come over here, it has something. Something. What do you every time you want, I can show you every transaction. I not send my mother below 3K, 2K. Every time TikTok pay, my mother get paid. I take care of my mother real good. But they already one time, not in other house here. Me in my apartment one time already, my mother beg my money and I did for pay my rent the next day. And I take my $2,000 rent money and send it go give my mother. And catch be a late fee so. And later come on my door say pay your rent by this day or whatever. Every time me have to blood clot send your money and me have to go under the dirt. Or I come on TikTok early morning I beg for make but my money for do me have to do. And you not appreciate that. I mean for tell me say you could have blood clot text me today and say, boy Alexi, I'm tell you what the problem. She beg my money what day ya. And I say me not have it. Can me decide to me not send no more. Me can't think I credit her money. Why them? And I say me not have it. Every day last week then text me. Every day she text me. And what day I say me text back and I say me not have it. Me don't have it. I don't hear back from her till last night when me that talk about the Jesus situation. I don't hear back from her. You have a blood clot text me today and say, alright, like what you always do. I say, you know, me not celebrate birthday, but you're a big girl now, still touch your body. You understand? From blood clot morning and a blood clot 216, and you not say nothing? I wish you just crash when your blood clot traveling up here and the whole fuck out now. Then my other sister, she know that is so good goggle bars where sell pussy at Jamaica like a dog. What do you mean upon my live? And me a text. Me a talk upon my live, right? When me there say me be. Who remember when me there talk to my grandfather? I me there on the video me have the pan call it my grandfather. And me say when me I tell him the story about my sister say shit me ever beat her up. You don't know say I look a so good girl. Context upon Instagram, but why are you calling my name? Why are you calling my name on TikTok and telling lies on me When was the last time me and you fight? Wasn't you the one who always taking my so good girl? Me never used to touch your dirty things them. Cause me have money more than the whole I wanna put together. A long time me a girl with money. Me never mama block you. I me mind the whole so good family I know. And if I wanna pick me retarded and I have no sense. Me have to send a picture of her daughter and remind her say you need to go take care of this one yeah. Breeze blow him drop down. You there so worried on my day, ma text me. Until you want money, you see them. Until you want money, them product like a ants. Or when you see you don't have the money, they flee gone like blood clot, Melissa. I saw them stay and they can't get to use me. They can't make me block you. Why I'm disrespect the kids because I'm a blood clot niece and nephew and I can't so good girl leave. No, this a dirty, stinking boy. I'm block you. I'm gonna block you right now. I'm not in the mood, you know. I mean, I block everybody. No, this a look a dirty bitch. How the fuck you gonna tell TikTok you don't know me? No, me make sure I let out everything so later I can enjoy myself. How the fuck you gonna say you don't know me? Jesus. Tag Jesus and tag Jessica. Come here. I'm going to my miss. When you was fucking me in my bed, you don't know me? When you brought me to STK and pour out a murder on the table and cry, you never know me? When you buy plan B because you're busting on me, you never know me? So good, boy. Alright. Watch. How the fuck you gonna tell? Let me scroll. I don't like a liar, bro. Let me tell you something. For one, you're not gonna disrespect me. For two, you're not gonna stay on TikTok and act like you don't fucking know me. Furthermore, who turn off my comments? Don't turn off my comments because I'm afraid I'm not dirty girl. I'm want turn on my comments. For one, me never look you. Me never come look you so good, batty boy. Me never me own a blood clot live I go and do me thing. Me never look you. Are you send me a number? Are you send me a number? And then me text you. When you first bring me to my date at STK and we was there talking and you telling me your personal story and about your mommy that you don't even fucking know. And me and you sit at the table crying because you got so emotional. You start crying, me start crying. You didn't know me that time. And then we come home and fuck on this bed. You didn't know me that time. You didn't tell me that this girl named Jessica. Hold on. Tag them, you know. Tag them, blood clot. Anytime him go live, we'll go spam him and class him. Tag them. This little bitch. Hold on. Because after I talk about this, I'm gonna come back live, come talk about this again. This girl. This is his friend, right? This is the girl that he was on the phone with the night when we were FaceTiming and I talk about blood clot TikTok. And it make me block you because I say, why the fuck you talk to this so good girl on the phone with me about TikTok live? Even though I know they're my friend, whatever. But that's not the thing. They are friends, yes? They're my friend. But that's not what you tell me. That's not what you tell me. You tell me that Jessica like you. You tell me that Jessica was drunk one night and she called your phone. Talking about, oh, geez, oh, I'm drunk. Can you go live, please? I'm bored, da. You tell me how Jessica's mom left her with a big ass house. You told me that Jessica hid and took a picture with you, posted it on TikTok, acting like you guys was dating, and she was weird as fuck for that. She posted it in a group with she and all of her moderators in the group, and then somebody out of the group come tell you everything that was happening in the group, and then you add her on TikTok live and she steady act like she don't know what she do. You never tell me that. You never blood clot tell me that. So guys, when you get a quick understanding of where me I come from, why me would feel away say you depend the phone? Your man tell you say one girl like him. And him a tell you all the things about the bitch. And then now, every time I'm on live and you are on live, she come and she shoot for you. I don't pay that no mind. Because really and truly, you be telling me things and I know things. I know that the fucking bitch like you. But guess what? I'm still cool with her. Because she don't do me shit. And she's still cool with you because I'm your friend. So why when me and you dep on FaceTime now, y'all go dep on the phone with she? Your man tell you, oh, one girl like him off and the things them. But him no want her. And every time you go in him live, she send him gift. You know watch that neither cause TikTok, everybody have to make them money. But what happen now when your man dep on FaceTime 3 a.m. in the morning and the blood clot girl dep on the phone with him a talk about. Even though they not a TikTok them a talk about, you still would have comfortable in yourself, sit down on FaceTime with your man while him have one next phone. Him a play a game. And me a watch chart video. And while him a play the game, him dep on the call with she, them a talk about some TikTok battle or whatever. Obviously, she know about me. She know, because he be telling her shit, so she know. But why the fuck you gonna tell me that the girl like you, but yet still that's the same girl you be on phone with? Look at sucker dirty batty boy. And then now, when my people them come over and I'm chat last night, what I'm telling you say? In a telling you say, when somebody must go up in a box and ask who is Ivany, what him say? Who? Now that him say. When he say who is Ivany, didn't he say who? Or something like that? He don't know me. How many times we fuck Jesus? Bro, I have so much. Turn off my Bluetooth. Hold on.
I'm a jack of all trades. Fuck you talking about. Like, once you start doing shit like that, try to cross over other people's lane and shit. Bitch, you already lost your first loser, hoe. Like, did she carry this in her purse?
Bro, we got whole conversations. What are you talking about? You don't fucking know me? You don't know me? We got whole conversations.
We were just going jewelry shopping.
You don't know me? You don't know me? We don't have conversation on top of conversation. Don't we have conversation on top of conversation? On Halloween. Wasn't we outside for Halloween? Wasn't it me and you outside for Halloween? Let's be real. Was it me and you outside for Halloween? May I try to find the video then when y'all call me name? Oop. Oh, that's just me being sexy. Was it me and you? What the fuck you talking about?
Trash.
This was when you went to fucking thing with Ryan. What are you talking about? How comes you don't fucking know me? Are you sick? Okay. Didn't you just call my name? Isn't our chat this? What the fuck are you talking about, bitch? What the fuck you talking about when you talk about you don't know me and who is Vonnie and then talk about you don't do the internet shit? You don't do the internet shit, but you steady want to fuck everybody on the low because you don't want people to talk about it on the internet. The other day when you come here. Okay, hold on. Let me go on Snapchat. How do I find my Snapchat on pictures? How do I find Snapchat? Is it me and you this? You don't know me. Who the fuck is this? Okay, that's a good tattoo. Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is this? Okay. Let's see if you have that same tattoo. Hold on. Let me try to find him. Let me see if you're gonna have that same tattoo.
Told her never post me on her main page. This is not filtered. Then I check the page.
Hold on. I'm trying to get his tattoo. Wait. Yeah, we gonna prove all of this shit. Let's go on his Instagram. Wait. Cause those videos be moving too fast. What the fuck is Instagram name again? What's his Instagram name? I don't know what's his Instagram name. Hold on. I'm gonna get the recent videos. Wait. Let's see something, cause you fucking with me, nigga. And you so smart. You be hiding your tattoos too, cause you don't want muff. Boom. Okay. That's fucking you. And that's your tattoo right there. Isn't that the same tattoo? Hold on. Isn't that the same tattoo suckled right there, sir? Don't play with me. And guess what? I do have some more. I have some naked ones too. But I'm not gonna go to prison for you, because you're not gonna go to the police, and you're not gonna press charge on me for showing this and for showing that. You're not gonna blood clot do it. And please not let's talk about Ryan. Don't let me even talk about Ryan. Or I could get Ryan in this bitch and say something. He gonna wonder how I know. Like, don't fucking play with me. Don't play with me. And you hood little bit too. Tell the people them that. It bought me if you see one cute boy and I have no. And I'm not bring down thing and become me and the boy left. The boy would lickle. You not have no hood size neither. Me you try get the American girl and we fucking for come talk. You know you would lickle. The first night you come here. And me and you chill, we play one card pack game, and we take shots. And you know that spicy game that when me and King used to play. Me and him a play. And one of them if I feel you up. You don't have no cocky. You don't have no cocky. You don't know me, but you had to buy fucking morning after pill gimme. And I don't even show half of my receipt because I still have more. And this was the last message I sent the nigga before I blocked his ass. And this was about fucking because of Jessica ass. This was it before hold on. This was it before I block your ass. What the fuck are you? I don't give a fuck about the number. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Me I put out everything. You have one friend named Ryan with the YouTube. We have how much millions. Me have theme address. Me I put out theme address today. Me I put out theme number. Me I put out this one address and me I put out this one number. I don't give a fuck. You see when you feel like you can play around my head, when you feel like you want to wreck my birthday, because let's be real, why I never keep up with your antics them after? And to show you are such a pussy, there's a lot of time when you and Jessica on live, because sometimes when I live, I go on Ice page, not a fake page. I'll go live on Ice page and watch the live. And then you have Jamaican fake pages be on the nigga page talking and saying something. And him think a blood clot me on the fake page. When the fake pages go on his page, type in their little shit, the people them that don't like me. And them attack them thing. Yeah, so could Jessica secretly on live trying to throw shade. Talk about I hope they lock you up. Girl, I just had a dream the other day that they deport me, Ice father take him, and when we got Jamaica them kill me, and I hope it come true for true. Like, me not even give a fuck. Me actually hope it happen. Me just have a dream so then soon dip me, Ice father take him, and when me reach Jamaica then kill me. Me not give a fuck. What the fuck you think nobody afraid for dead? Me not give a fuck. Me don't think me afraid for dead. Me don't know one of the things say me afraid. Oh, she fear of death. She afraid of this, she afraid of that. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna go expose your local hood. Watch. Cause me said for man in, me said for next one I want whether go come try play with me, you know. Mama block you. Me said for the next one where did want come try play with me. Mama block you. Get the fuck away. Like, what the fuck? Even Ryan. Who know this nigga? Even Ryan. Look. You tell me how when you and Ryan went to the Blueface thing. This nigga, Ryan. He's a big YouTuber. I have his address too. I'ma post that shit. This nigga, Ryan. You tell me that when you went to the Blueface thing, and when him go to the 20V with Blueface, oh, Ryan tell us if you book your ticket, and y'all go and everything I go cool, but when you go, you were the only one spending this. I have the receipt them to matter as fuck. Me go take screenshot all of them and send go give Ryan. So how the fuck you want come tell people who is Ivany? Now run them the joke there with me, cause me black you and me gone about my business. Me never try come bring you down. Wrong or me right? Lie me I tell chat. You hear me come say me I bring down nobody on the internet. More than me say, me man, me always I say my man, me never yet ball out say, me and Jesus there. You don't have no, there is no screen record. There is no screen record with me coming out stating, oh guys, Jesus and I are dating. Jesus and I are dating. Oh, Jesus just left my house. I never said that. I never ever come on live and try to prove things to bitches or say things to bitches. So why the fuck you gonna be on live talking about who is Ivany? Who is that? Like you don't know who the... So good. You know what I'm call out your biggest gifter where I shoot for you. Where you say, oh, she do I take her money and mine you. And you don't want her. And she beg you for buy braces and you don't go buy. Me have them there now. Like, stop playing with me, nigga. Stop fucking playing with me. Him do one next girl that. Him do one next girl that. One girl post him. Talk about. They say shoot. Jesus, what's up with you? That girl post that video. What the fuck you talking about? Me have little camera from King fuck pan me and cut. Me buy me little camera them on Amazon. Me have your little shrimp a swing around in here. Me have post them on Twitter. Me have go post them on Twitter. And see him number here. I'm gonna call him. Write it blood clot down. Write it down. And spam it. And call it. Suck with dead with Batty boy. Don't play games with me. Don't fucking play games with me. I'm not the one. Don't play games with me. Suck with Batty, man. And then Jessica be begging as dog. Y'all, cause this bitch be in my fucking DM too talking about send her gift. Like, don't play with me that way either. Cause you shady as fuck. Multiple times I pass your live and see you on your live and you throwing a little shade about what you and fucking Jesus be talking about. I have a fake page, y'all, right? One night I went on Jesus live. I was there. Him have streaks. Me have one fake page where me shoot for people pan. When me no want they know see me. I don't only shoot for that fuckers nigga on the page. Me shoot for everybody. Me shoot for all coffee on the page. Me shoot for all Europe on the page. I fucking jaded enough time. They don't know what we under the page and me on that page. What do you mean I scroll up on my fake page? I me see him there live. Me send him a lion. This bitch-ass bitch gonna be on live, showing low-key shades, talking about lying. Wonder if tomorrow gonna send a lion. Wonder if this gonna... Like, stop playing with me. Don't play with me them the way there. Like, who the fuck y'all think you is? Don't play with me them the way there. Me never that take no man fear no so good girl. Cause as soon as uno make phone look at TikTok money, as soon as uno make uno look at TikTok money, uno take it run go mine, man. I him buy me my blood clot, I him buy me what you call it? I him buy me dresser where they in my room. I him buy me. I him blood clot give me $500 when my dad go toward the grocery. All of your money where you take give him, it come right back to me so good. So don't play with me. No ramp with me. When you done come for mash up my birthday it already, don't ramp with me. Me I go restart my live and come back. It a move slow. No, so could ramp with me. Coming in soon. I don't know for you and block you. Friend in my younger age and gone. Where blood clot cut. Me and the boy got steakhouse. I want to drop the tea them when him over there. This I got at him head. Him came up on a date at steakhouse. And the boy stood down and tell me, oh, him mother. Him mother, he don't know him mama. The woman where him have now, where him live at Charlotte with the father, is not him real mother. It's not him real mother. I am father, woman. Where you go up on Jesus life, ask him, where is your mom? No have none. Mother ate him and dash him away and gone. And when him tell me the things them, he start cry. And I saw me start blood clot cry too. So how the fuck you feel like you want to come blood clot? Disrespect me. The whole I want to suck out drunk. Feel like you don't want to come take a set for me today. Like you don't want me draw down my shorts and skin up my body and go no today. Everybody want to come about blood clot me today. You will on the plan for come mash up my blood clot birthday so good. It's like a planting. When I'm a blood clot friend, thank you baby. When I'm a friend, plan for me do me here and mash up the whole of my blood clot day yesterday. You mash up the whole of my day yesterday, no? You mash up, you actually wreck my blood clot. Friend, when I go out for so much for your birthday, I get up from 5 a.m. Me and ice and shop, go up on the mall and shop and buy me things them. And rent hotel. Rent hotel. So you could have go there and buy how much gift. And everything they jolly and alright. And the one day me say, me don't want, me no, and I say me no want enjoy my birthday. Me plan say me go have a 24-hour streaming. So all of my enjoyment I go start from yesterday, which is the 8th. And then it I go lead in on my birthday because I'm still out there at the restaurant. And me da go book me one apartment and you say, no, you got it for the hairdresser. And you mash up my whole day yesterday. And as a friend, you don't even text me and say, boy Ivany, you still a go dinner. You text me back about 3 p.m. And I call me down after me go live and talk about it. About 3 p.m. you text me and say, I find one hairdresser we go do your ear 4 o'clock. From morning till 4 o'clock. Like well on a pussy hole. All on a pussy. We are today. We are today. Me not see him.
Listen to me now. Are you ever gonna trim today now? So me a call help and celebrate a Ross Clark birthday and go
Me
me
no
and
want
down.
nobody help me. And say everybody come for fuck up me dear.
No, me and down buy gift for you what you talk about.
Me no want no gift, bro. Me no want no gift.
One to
Come
you.
like everybody plan for me blood clot today. Why?
I want to you. I want one.
And no matter how me try for stay out of them people always like,